found another expired sauce. Ooh. Pretty sure I bought this 4 years ago as well. I'm going to use this to make a little stir fry with some leftover ingredients today. So I'm on another quest to use up my 60 eggs that I bought from Costco. And I found this. This will come in handy when there's no sriracha. So for the shrimp, a little bit of salt, white pepper, cooking wine, and we squeeze. Lastly, some cornstarch. And squeeze more. I think 3 eggs is about right for that amount of shrimp. Salt, white pepper. I'll do some mirin as well. So the last step with this one is some cornstarch slurry. Ta-da! Ooh. So I mixed the prawns. Oh no! No! Yeah, I could have done with more egg. Oh well. And that is pretty much done. Hot sauce. Oh no, 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 no. Too much. Mmm. Oh yeah. Like cornstarch makes the shrimp really bouncy. Mm. Does anybody actually pay attention to the Ballon d'Or? They have 30 nominees? I didn't know they had so many people nominated. I'm looking at the list. Salah, Musiala, Benzema, Onana, Guardiola, Julian Albert, who, by the way, completed football already. Holland, Ruben Diaz. I'm looking at this list. Like, I know honestly, this award doesn't mean anything, does it? But where is John Stones? You know, for those of you who knows. Colomwani. Who else? Nicolo Barella. Like, how can some of these names be on there and John Stones not be? You know, yeah, I get City has a lot of players already on the list, but I'd say Holland, Rodri, De Bruyne, Diaz. Like, if they're on, John Stones needs to be on this list. City would. I don't think City would have won treble last year without John Stones. You know, right back, center back, stepping into midfield. I don't know. Like, some of these names, yeah, okay, like I get one, you know, tournaments here and there, you know, leagues in their own country and stuff like that, World Cup, getting to finals. I mean, John Stones. That doesn't make sense. You know, not using that spicy fermented bean sauce and this chili garlic sauce really doesn't taste that much different.